Hey everybody, Dave Fontaine here at Wayne Toyota with our 2019 Yaris. Just around 29,000, actually 29.5 is the kilometers on the vehicle. Accident free. Show you some of the main features on it. We have over here the steel rims with the 15-inch tires and hubcaps, Toyota hubcaps. This vehicle is equipped with heated front seats, backup camera. It does come with lane departure alert, your pre-collision system, and your automatic high beams. Cloth interior, seats are adjustable on the driver's side. CD player and of course Bluetooth. 60/40 split in the rear. You can see one side down. We have the winter mats already in there. The rear of the vehicle here, I'll open the hatch. There's your backup camera right there. This, of course, tonneau cover will come off if you need extra room. There's your spare tire, as well as the summer mats that come with the vehicle. So if you're looking for a compact vehicle, easy to park, excellent gas mileage, this is the one for you, our 2019 Yaris. If you would like to book an appointment or you had any questions, give me, Dave Fontaine, a call. Thanks again for watching and stay safe.